Here are the directions on how to play multiplication matchup. The materials you will need include the matchup cards, an iPad, a dry erase marker, an eraser, and a partner. I have a question mark next to a partner because you can choose to do this with a partner or you can do this independently. First, let's take a look at the cards that we have. We have a couple different colors. This is a multiplication expression. We have repeated addition. We have equal groups. We have area models. We have another way to read a multiplication expression in words. And we have word problems. The goal of this game is to match up each card to show the same multiplication problem. You can start with any color or card. I'm going to choose the one with the expressions. So you take the first card that you're going to start with, you take the paper clip off and put it inside the baggie so that you don't lose it. Then you're going to line them up in a column. It doesn't matter what order they're in. This is going to be the starting point of your game. Then you pick another card set. I'm going to do equal groups. Again, take the paper clip off, put it inside the bag so you don't lose it because you will need it later. So you take a look at all these equal group pictures and you try to match them up with the expressions. So for example, this one has 4 sets or 4 equal groups. So that could either be this problem, 4 times 9, or it could be 4 times 8. It could be 3 times 4, but the chances are that's going to be 4 times 9 or 4 times 8 because remember the first number is how many groups you have. So if I look at the picture, I can count how many I have in each group. And there's 9. So there's 9 in each group. So this picture represents 4 times 9. So I'm going to place that next to 4 times 9. You go through all the rest of the cards and match them up with the correct expressions. Then you pick another color. Here's the area models. This could be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 times 9. So this also matches up with 4 times 9. So you go through and see which ones match up with the expressions. And you continue to do that in a column so that the colors start going in a row. What about this one? 5 sets of 3. What is a multiplication expression that represents 5 sets of 3? Well, I know the word sets of can be placed with a multiplication symbol. So I'm looking for 5 times 3. Alright, so here's 5 times 3. I want to keep it in the green column, so I'm going to actually put it over here, keeping in mind that, you know, there'd be one for all of these. I want to take note that this one is a blank. If you ever come across a blank, you take your dry erase marker and you write in the correct answer. In order to know where that belongs, you have to figure out where the other ones go first. Now I know that these are not correct right now. I just kind of put them there. But if you have a blank, figure out the other ones first and then fill it in with your dry erase marker. This one is repeated addition. I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I know that 3 is going to be one of the factors in my expression. I have to know how many times I'm adding 3. I see 5, so it's also going to be 5 times 3. So that would also belong there. Again, I would find my matches in my yellow column. Last, I have my word problems. So you're going to take a look and you want to read the word problems. Don't just look for the numbers. You want to be able to pick out the key words like of and each. Joanna planted 7 rows of trees and she planted 8 trees in each row. How many trees did Joanna plant? Well, if 7 rows of 8, that would be 7 times 8. So here's 7 times 8 right here. I'll put that across in that row. Once you've completed all of the columns, the rows will have one of each color and they will all be matching up. When you have it all done, you're going to take your iPad and you're going to take a picture with it. Remember, you find the camera icon in the corner, slide it up, make sure that you get all cards in your picture, This might mean that you have to stand up to see everything. So here's the picture that I've taken. Okay? So you can see all of them, and if I had played all the cards, you'd be able to see all of them there. All right? After that, you can clean up by color. Make sure that you take all the blue ones, put a paper clip on those, and put that in the bag. All right, good luck.